Hi guys, this is Touta from Touta Secrets, and today I will give you another secret. Today I will give you a treatment, a natural treatment for the dry cough. So if you are one of my family, just give me a thumbs up, and if you are not one of my family, just subscribe me and I will be happy. All what we need to do this natural remedy is just one turnip and a sugar. We will start cutting the top of the turnip with a knife, so just be careful. We'll cut just the top, we will not cut the two sides, the top and the bottom. We will try to get a small piece of the pulp, just a small piece, do not get a big piece. As knowing of the turnip is lowering the blood pressure, and it is also fight cancer. It is also contain many a lot quantity of vitamin C. So after we just get out this pulp, we'll put 1 spoon of sugar. We will put it inside the turnip. We'll just fill all the space. We'll fill it with sugar. After that, we'll cover it with the top that we cut it before. We let it sit for one night. After that, we will open it and we will get the honey of the turnip, like it's shown in front of you. There is it. Take it 3 times in the day for 3 days, and you can increase the time until you get a cure. So this is all for today. I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe me and give me a thumbs up.